Okay, let's see what we got here. One computer. One times computer. And one hard drive cable.
Right, let's go.
Is that all your luggage? Is that all your luggage you take?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, damn it.
Okay, packed. Okay, good.
Let's go.
There we go.
Yeah, hey guys, thanks for watching my first ever sketch. Yes, indeed, I am going to go to Holland. I'm going to Holland for sort of a mini vacation. I'm going to be visiting friends and family over there. That's actually where my family originates, you know. And Holland is known as the place with the wooden shoes that are hard to get into and extremely painful to get out of. I am going to be vlogging my entire trip. I could not afford tickets for each and every one of you, but I think if customs doesn't look, I think I could fit you all in there. But yes, please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you can see how I vlog and all the sort of things that you can do in Holland. So until next time, guys, I'm going to be seeing you in an airport, which my flight leaves tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow in the airport. Yeah, see you guys.